Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another haul, but this time we have clothes, we have makeup, we have skincare, we have it all because mama went shopping. It's my birthday month, so I treated myself a lot. I got quite a bit of things yesterday, so I thought I'd share them with you guys because I'm just so excited. So if you'd like to know everything that I purchased yesterday, then be sure to just keep on watching. I can't do it. Alright, so let's jump in. Where should we start? I don't know. Okay, I'll start with this one. So we went to TJ Maxx, of course. Always have to stop by TJ Maxx. But the first store we stopped at was Ross. I don't know if you guys ever heard of Ross, but it's just like TJ Maxx basically. So we stopped there, so I didn't get too much from TJ Maxx. Actually, I hardly got anything at all. I only got two things. So I wanted to share the first thing that I got from TJ Maxx, which was this Anastasia liquid lipstick in the color Stripped. This is the color that I'm wearing on my lips right now, and oh my god, I freaking love it. It was only $7.99. Usually when I look for makeup at TJ Maxx, I can never find any, but they had all kinds of Anastasia there at this TJ Maxx, and they even had the Subcultural palette from them and the Prism palette. I was like, what? This is insane, and they were for $30. But I didn't get that because I already have plenty of palettes. We're gonna move on. So we went to the mall and Bath & Body was there, and they're having their semi-annual sale. So I picked up just only two things from there because I already have a lot of fragrances from there. But the two fragrances that I got were the Fresh Gardenian spray. This was only $7.25. You guys have to go to the semi-annual sale at Bath & Body because, girl, their sales right now are insane. And then I got this Rose Quartz spray, and wow, this freaking smells amazing. It has rose water, lily petals, fresh. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce that word, but it starts with a P. A word that I'm not gonna be able to pronounce. But this was only for $3.25 and it smells freaking amazing. So I got two flower scents for the summer and I'm happy with that. Next. I went into this, it's called Shoe Factory or Shoe Connection, something like that. It's a shoe store. And I went in there looking for a pair of shoes, but I didn't get any. They had purses, and I got a purse. Oh my god, I freaking love this purse. And it was only $20. $20 freaking dollars for this amazing purse. I just freaking love it. This gray purse, it's big, nice. It's a big sack. Oh god. And then it has this little pink, I don't even know how to explain it, but it's just a simple gray purse. It has 3 different compartments. It's just so big, and I love it for $20, and it's like a satchel thing, so I am happy with this purchase. Like, I absolutely freaking love this purse. Look how cute it is. I love it. I'm so happy with it. So happy with it. So we went to Ross, like I had told you guys previously. So Ross is just like a TJ Maxx and Marshall, like it's discounted clothes for cheap, and I went a little ham. Let's start with the clothing that I got. First off is this cute little white cropped off the shoulder shirt with like this little lace detailing on the sleeves and on the bottom. This was only how much were you? $7.49. It was a reduced price. So I got this shirt because I don't have very many white tops that are cute like that. And I also got this one, this plain simple white tee, and this was only $4.99. And then the next two shirts I freaking love so much. This one was $7.99. It's a cropped t-shirt, and look how freaking cute it is. Oh, good vibes only, because that's the only way I roll, the only way I vibe is with good vibes. And it has kind of like this washed out look to it. Like, I am obsessed with this shirt. I love the color, I love everything about it, and the fact that it's a cropped, and it's so soft, so soft. So loving that. I could have really gotten carried away with all the crop t-shirts that they have because those are just the best shirts to put on. They're comfortable and they're cute, but I had to contain myself, and so I only got 2 of them. And then of course this last t-shirt I had to buy it. I just had to do it. It's $7.99 as well, and just wait till you see who's on it. My girl, Bitty Bitty Bamba. This girl is my favorite person in the entire world. If only I could be like her, because she is so gorgeous. And I just had to get this. As soon as I saw this t-shirt, I said, yep, you're going in my cart. So it's just a cropped black tee with Selena. Anything for Selena. So I got these Petal Fresh Botanic makeup wipes, and they were only $3.99 for 60 wipes. That's pretty good. Very good, actually. And they have tea tree and peppermint in them, so I was like, okay, this sounds really nice. There was like 3 different types to choose from, but I wanted to try the tea tree extract because it says for blemished skin. I don't have too bad of skin, but I do have really bad blackheads, so clean them up a little bit. And then the last thing that I got from Ross was this black wallet wristlet. It's just a simple little black wallet, and I liked how it had the wristlet because a lot of times I don't like to take in my purse if I'm just going to run in there real quick, so I can just put this on my wrist and go. And then it has the gold detailing, which I like, so it's just a simple black wallet, and I really needed one. So this was only $7.99. Very good. Very good. So that was it for yesterday's shopping spree little haul, but I did get my Ulta order in yesterday, so I want to show you guys what I got from there. I got this with a gift card from my mother-in-law, so I'm very happy for this. I love Ulta orders, but this time, surprisingly, I didn't get any makeup. What a shame, I know. I actually got all skincare with this Ulta order because I am lacking in that department, so I needed to stock up on some things, try some things out, because I really am starting to get into skincare. I want to make my skin the best it can be, so I got some of these items. Maybe you guys have tried them out. If you have, you should leave a comment down below and tell me how you like it. So the first thing I got was the Mario Badescu Skincare Facial Spray. Facial Spray, yeah. Has aloe, herbs, and rose water in it. And that just sounds so refreshing for my skin, and it just sounded so nice. I needed a facial spray because I always spray one up before I go to bed, and I have not had one for a long time. So I got this one, and I'm excited for it. It smells so good. I did use it last night. I like it a lot. I got another face spray because this is the one that I had for the longest time, and this one is so freaking good. I absolutely love this. If you guys need a facial spray, I recommend this one. It's super affordable. You get a lot, lasts a long time, and it comes out so fine, so refreshing. This literally, oh, it just feels so good on your skin. This is the H2O Oasis Quench the Day Hydrating Mist. It's so good. You guys, I swear on my life, you need this for your face. Like, you'll put it on in the morning, it just wakes you up. Put it at night, makes you feel so drenched and hydrated, and oh my god, it's so good. Like, I can't say enough good things about this. And since I got that, it was buy one get half off, so I decided to get another H2O beauty kit. This is the Drink It Up Oasis Mini Favorites. So I decided to try this one out. It has 3 different things: a hydrating treatment, a Keep It Fresh face cleanser, and a hydrating eye balm. So I am excited to try all these. I've never tried any of these. I'm excited for the eye balm because I don't have really a good eye cream. I need to invest in that, a really good eye cream. If anyone has any recommendations, let me know. I love everything about their packaging. Like, I can't wait to try this. Can't wait to put it on my face. It's just gonna look so nice. I already know. So I got that. And then I got another thing. This right here, I love it. This is the Maracuja oil from Tarte. This is the mini size. This is my 3rd bottle, and I just can't stay away from this stuff. I swear this oil does wonders for my skin. I'll have breakouts and then I'll put it on my skin, and it's like so diminished the next morning, and it hydrates and it makes your skin feel so smooth and soft in the morning. Love it. I cannot live without this. Like, it's definitely a must for my skincare. And then another new product that I want to try out is this Mario Badescu Skincare Seaweed Night Cream. It smooths skin and unveils a radiant, hydrated complexion come morning. So that sounds really promising. I can't wait to try this. Hopefully it's a good one. If not, I'll keep you guys posted. But I wanted to try a night cream. I don't know what the difference between a night cream and like a regular moisturizer is, but clearly it's for nighttime. So I'm gonna try this at night with my rose water facial spray, and we should be looking good. And if we're not, there's a problem. I'll have to get rid of them. And then the last simple thing that I got was this tanning applicator mitt, because I have a bottle of Loving Tan, but I don't have a applicator to put it on. So I had to purchase this so I could try that out. And that, my friends, is wow, that might have been pretty good if you ask myself. So yeah, that's all that I have though. That is everything that I had purchased. I definitely went in with the shopping yesterday, and then with that Ulta order I probably should lay off a little bit, but I just love shopping. It makes my heart so happy, and I need some retail therapy every now and then, and I definitely did the dang thing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you guys so much for all your support. It means everything to me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.